Hey guys, look at what I have here, apple cider vinegar. So what you want to do is into a cup, put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and dilute it with enough water and then enjoy. Today we'll be talking about some mistakes that we make with apple cider vinegar and therefore we don't enjoy the numerous benefits. So guys, without much ado, let's dive right into it. Apple cider vinegar has been there for so long. People have been enjoying apple cider vinegar because of its numerous health benefits. Did you know that apple cider vinegar will help improve digestion? It helps lower blood glucose. Apple cider vinegar will also improve insulin sensitivity. It's so good even for our heart health, our skin health. 7 mistakes that we should avoid with apple cider vinegar. So the first mistake is taking apple cider vinegar undiluted. No, don't do that. Always dilute apple cider vinegar with lots of water. 1 tablespoon to lots of water. That's the best. The second mistake we'll be talking about is consuming it in large doses, in large quantities. Please, a little apple cider vinegar goes a long way, especially if you're new to taking this. You want to take it in small quantities so that your body gets used to it. If you react to it, like if you have a burning sensation or if you upset your stomach, then you reduce again, and gradually when your body gets used to it, you begin to enjoy the benefits. I understand perfectly well that people are in a hurry to enjoy the benefits, but no, not when you take it in large quantities. Brushing your teeth immediately after taking apple cider vinegar. Like I said, apple cider vinegar has lots of acetic acid. Taking a lot even can corrode your enamel, but when you take it, the deposits are still in your teeth. You don't go straight on to brush your teeth. You want to wait 30 minutes after taking apple cider vinegar before brushing your teeth. The next one is consuming apple cider vinegar after a meal. For you to enjoy apple cider vinegar benefits, you have to take it on empty stomach. If you must take it after a meal, you have to wait for about 20 minutes at least. Taking something after a long time of fasting, like when you wake up in the morning, your body absorbs it better. So it's basically better to take apple cider vinegar before meal. That way, it will help maximize all the benefits. The 5th mistake is inhaling apple cider vinegar. Inhaling apple cider vinegar will irritate your lungs. It's going to give it a burning sensation. So you're not a child. Don't try it. Don't do it. Apple cider vinegar indeed helps in the management of hypertension. So many studies have also shown that apple cider vinegar can help lower blood pressure. As you can see in this study, is a dose-dependent effect of vinegar on blood pressure. Each time the vinegar was increased by 30 ml from the result, it lowered systolic blood pressure by 3.25 mercury millimeter. Also, looking at the diastolic blood pressure, anytime vinegar was increased to 30 ml, it lowered diastolic blood pressure to the tune of 3.33 mercury millimeter, which is so good. Though this is a small study, but there are lots and lots of studies like that. But what I'm saying is, if you're on any medication, be it antihypertensive, diuretics, or anti-diabetics that lower potassium, you have to be careful and take apple cider vinegar minimally. Drinking apple cider vinegar just before going to bed. Listen, experts have said that drinking apple cider vinegar before going to bed will irritate your esophagus. So please don't do it. If you want to take apple cider vinegar before bed, make sure to take it at least an hour before going to bed. The 7th mistake people make in using apple cider vinegar is applying it directly on the skin. When you want to use apple cider vinegar as maybe a toner or treat infection or maybe blemishes, do well to dilute it. Who should not use apple cider vinegar? Now, the first class of people are people that have ulcers. If you have a stomach ulcer, you don't have any business with apple cider vinegar because it's going to irritate those ulcers. Ulcers are like wounds, so you don't have to worsen it. The next group of people that should be careful in consuming apple cider vinegar are people that are on diuretics. Diuretics are also known as water pills, and they are used in treatment of hypertension or some heart diseases. Also, people that are on anti-diabetics. Here is why. Consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and above lowers potassium a lot, and therefore when you're taking these medications and also consuming apple cider vinegar, you might go into hypokalemia. Hypokalemia is when your potassium is very low, and some people don't have any form of symptoms, but in some others they will have muscle cramps, muscle pain, and even arrhythmia. So you want to be careful with apple cider vinegar if you're on diuretics, also known as water pills, or some form of antihypertensive and anti-diabetics. So this will be all for this video. Remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.